Welcome to the best picks. The best Kurgo Dog Harness is probably one of the most important pieces of gear you can get for your furry friend. It's designed to keep your dog safe and comfortable during walks and outdoor adventures. Unlike traditional collars, a harness distributes pressure evenly across your dog's chest and shoulders, preventing neck strain and potential injuries. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable way to walk your dog, then this video is for you. Number 5. Kurgo Tru-Fit Smart Dog Harness, Black, Medium. This harness is designed for speed and simplicity. It features a quick strap release, making it easy to put on and take off. The lightweight design ensures a comfortable fit for your dog. Designed for everyday adventures, this harness provides a comfortable fit. It has padded chest support and a 5-point adjustable design, giving you better control. This harness is ideal for walks at any time of day. It includes reflective material for visibility and front and back leash points. It also comes with a seatbelt tether. This gear is built to solve everyday challenges. It makes travel, walks, and outdoor play safer and more fun for both of you. It's designed to make your adventures easier. Engineered for longevity and reliability, this product is crafted with rugged materials. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, ensuring it will last for years to come. What we like. This harness is designed for convenience with its quick strap release. It offers a comfortable fit with padded chest support, perfect for daily walks. If you are looking for a harness that's easy to put on and take off, while keeping your dog safe and comfortable, then you should consider this one. What people say. This is a wonderful harness. It needs to be secure. This harness went on easier than most and was simple to adjust. Number 4. Kurgo Tru-Fit Dog Car Harness, Crash Test Certified. This harness is crash test certified, ensuring your dog's safety during car travel. It features all steel buckles for maximum security, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Designed for daily use, this harness is perfect for both walks and car rides. It has 5 points of adjustment and a padded chest plate, providing a comfortable and secure fit for your dog. Built with enhanced strength, this harness is ready for any adventure. It includes a 10-inch seatbelt tether with a steel carabiner, making it an ideal travel companion for your pet. Kurgo gear is designed to solve everyday challenges. This harness makes travel, walks, and outdoor play safer, easier, and more fun for you and your dog. Engineered for longevity and reliability, this product is crafted with rugged materials. It's backed by Kurgo's industry-leading lifetime warranty, ensuring its quality and your satisfaction. What we like. This harness prioritizes safety with its crash test certification and all-steel buckles. It's designed for both walks and travel, providing a secure and comfortable experience. If you frequently travel with your dog and prioritize their safety during car rides, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. Very sturdy and fits well. Very secure on the dog and easy to put on. I really like the seatbelt edition, also. All buckles and fittings are steel, and the chest plate on the front is shaped in a way that actually covers her without cutting into her. After fitting her, I put her in the back seat and we were off. In its most restrictive setting, I found that this combination holds her securely and allows her to sit and lay down without giving her extra room to move around. Number 3. Kurgo Journey Air Dog Harness, secure and comfortable. This harness offers a secure fit for your active dog. It features a breathable padded vest, designed to reduce strain on their neck during any adventure. Designed for high-energy pups, this harness supports running, hiking, and exploring. It includes a back assist handle for added control and support. Made with durable outdoor gear materials, it features ripstop outer fabric and breathable mesh. The harness also includes reflective trim and rust-free aluminum hardware. Kurgo gear is built to solve everyday challenges with dogs. This makes travel, walks, and outdoor play safer, easier, and more fun for both of you. Engineered for longevity and reliability, every Kurgo product is crafted with rugged materials. It's backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty. What we like. This harness is built for active dogs, offering a secure and comfortable fit with a breathable design. It features a back assist handle for added control during adventures. If you have an energetic dog who loves running, hiking, or exploring, then it's a great option. What people say. It is literally the only harness that has everything I was looking for all on one harness. This is incredibly strong and sturdy. This just slipped over his head and snaps on both sides, extremely easy to operate. Number 2. Kurgo Baxter Dog Backpack, Hiking and Travel Vest. This durable saddlebag is designed for your dog's comfort. It's lightweight and provides ample space for all the essentials. This pack ensures your dog is ready for any adventure. This backpack has enough space for food, treats, waste bags, first aid, and travel bowls. It's the perfect companion for any outing, keeping everything your dog needs within reach. The integrated harness allows you to use this as a regular harness. It features a leash hook and side pockets for extra storage. This design offers both convenience and functionality. The reflective trim ensures your dog's visibility in low light conditions. It also has a padded handle for extra control. This feature enhances safety and provides added convenience. The Baxter size fits dogs from 30 to 85 pounds, and the Big Baxter fits dogs from 50 to 110 pounds. Choose the right size to ensure a comfortable fit for your dog. It's designed to make every adventure enjoyable. What we like. This saddlebag backpack is lightweight and comfortable, ensuring your dog can carry essentials. It also functions as a harness with a rear leash hook and side pockets. If you like hiking or camping with your dog and want them to carry their own supplies, then you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect little backpack for your fur baby. Pockets are good sized. Easy to adjust straps and sizing was accurate. Color is bright and allows your pet to be seen. It has a nice stiff section for over the spine, and has multiple ways to adjust the straps. Kurgos seem to have addressed issues with the zips which now close front to back so don't open when the dog runs through bushes. Number 1. Kurgo Stash N Dash Harness, lightweight and portable. This is the Kurgo Stash N Dash Harness, a foldable harness perfect for adventures. It stores easily in its own pouch, making it ideal for travel. The harness features inner mesh fabric and 4 adjustment points. This design ensures a breathable and comfortable fit for your active dog, whether on the trail or in the city. Built with ripstop fabric and steel hardware, this harness is made to last. It includes front and back leash attachments and reflective trim, ensuring safe walks even at night. Kurgo gear is designed to solve everyday challenges. This harness makes travel, walks, and outdoor play safer and more fun for you and your dog. Engineered for longevity and reliability, this product is crafted with rugged materials. It's backed by Kurgo's industry-leading lifetime warranty, so you can be confident in its quality. What we like. This harness is designed to be packable and portable, making it ideal for travel. It offers a customizable fit with inner mesh fabric and multiple adjustment points. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-carry harness for your dog's adventures, then it's a great choice. What people say. It has excellent storage. We store our dog's 6-foot leash and poop bags within the pouch. It is easy to keep clean and has held up well, even after taking a swim. When I'm not bringing water, I can fit my phone, my keys, some extra poop bags, and my albuterol inhaler. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.